Hi viewers, today's recipe is this nacho cheese sauce, and this recipe is so simple to try at home. It only takes less than 3 minutes. I promise you this tastes like nacho cheese, and it tastes actually even better because I've got this special twist to it. It's this Scotch Bonnet Chilli that I added. Anyways, I don't want to waste your time, so let's just get on with the recipe. In a preheated pan, add 25 grams of salted butter and wait till it's melted. Now add 1 tablespoon of plain flour and combine it all together. It's really important for you to make sure that this recipe is done on slow flame all the way through. Once you come to this point and you can notice those little bubbles are popping out, you need to add 280 grams of double cream in here. Keep stirring and wait till it's nice and warm. Do not bring it to a boil because remember, we're not trying to reduce any of the ingredients here. If you are visiting new to my channel, then please make sure that you subscribe. Every Sunday I upload a new recipe. And don't forget to follow me on social media, that's Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Once the mixture is ready, add 2 tablespoons of Nacho Cheese Powder. I got this from Amazon. I will leave the link in my description so you can click on it and buy it. Now I'll be adding the Scotch Bonnet Chilli, and I did take the seeds out already so we don't bite into it. I'm giving you a warning now, do not chop this chili into small pieces and add it in the sauce because I don't think you'll be able to handle the heat. I just chopped mine in half so I can take the seeds out, and these 2 pieces that I added, I will definitely take it out once the sauce is ready. Trust me, this chili and this cheese sauce is a perfect combination. This chili will make a big difference to this sauce. It will add really nice flavor to it and it will have the perfect kick. Anyways, I'm done with the mixing. Now I'm going to add 125 grams of colored cheddar cheese. At this moment, it's really important that you turn the flame off and the cheese will melt itself with the sauce. If you liked watching this video, then please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and please also comment below and let me know what's your impression about this recipe. If you ever try my recipe and you like it, then please make sure that you share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to check out my other recipes. I will leave the links at the top right hand corner so you can click on them and watch it. So that's it for today. My nacho cheese sauce is ready to eat. I promise you this is incredibly tasty, so make sure you do try at home. I will see you soon in my next video. Take care till then.